Cutting broccoli. Broccoli is a delicious flower vegetable that grows above the ground and is much too large to eat whole. To break it down, snap off the florets from the broccoli head into smaller pieces so they look like little trees. Even these florets are sometimes too big to eat in one bite, so we need to break them down further. A tip to keep things tidy and not waste a thing is instead of cutting through the whole floret, cut through the stem. Then pull the stem apart and the broccoli top will come apart without making a mess and wasting some of the little flower buds. Don't forget the stem. It's a favorite part of the broccoli plant for many. Cut the stem into thin strips, starting at the end near the florets. When the stem gets too tough to cut, it can be too tough to eat, and you can compost the rest. Not only does the stem taste great, but it looks pretty cool with crazy looking shapes.